Good morning everybody, this is Bridget here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you a very simple Anglo-Indian chicken and vegetable stew. In other words, it's going to be a stew with vegetable, mostly carrots and potatoes. So what we need is 2 tomatoes and 2 onions that are chopped, some ginger and garlic, and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Then 1 bay leaf, 2 pieces of cinnamon, 3 carrots, 3 potatoes peeled and cut into pieces. So you'd need 500 grams of boneless chicken breast cut into pieces. So we'll start by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add the onions and cinnamon and cloves and bay leaves. Then add the onions and we fry till the onions are translucent. Then you add in the ginger garlic paste and saute for a few minutes. Just keep frying so that the raw smell of the ginger and garlic goes away. Then we add in the chicken. Mix well and fry for a few minutes till the pieces get firm and changes color. Now you add in your pepper powder, your crushed pepper, again some salt, mix well. Now add in the tomatoes, again mix well. Mix all well and fry for a few minutes. Okay, now you add in your mint. Again keep mixing and frying. The chicken begins to leave out some water. Now you add in your vegetable, that's the carrots and potatoes, and again mix it all well together. Okay, fry for a few minutes. Now you could add in 1 cup of thick coconut milk. We are not going to add any other thickening agent because we are adding coconut milk in this stew. So you just mix well. Okay. Now you add in like 2 cups of water or chicken stock or any other stock and mix well. Bring it to a nice boil till it bubbles. Then you cover with the lid and cook on low heat till the chicken and the vegetables are tender. So you can see that the chicken stew is ready. You can turn off the heat. Wait for 10 minutes before serving. Such a simple and tasty chicken and vegetable stew. So if you like this video, do like and share it, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. For more recipes, you could go to my website bridgetwhite.com.